Here we have the Royal Yacht Britannia. Royal Jelly Bean used to hang around Lower Holidays. Yeah, now lying at least dock in Edinburgh. This is Monday, the 13th of July 2009.